Kaylee K. Kales. Peyton, what are you doing? What are you doing? See what I do best? What's your sissy doing? Gonna fall. Kaylee, I want that bucket. Go, Kaylee, go. Lucas, can't she play with the toys in the bucket? Luke, can you share them with her? Can you share them? I think most of those toys are theirs. Say please, Lucas. Pretty, pretty, please. Say, look out, Lucas. We're just starting. Personal space invasion for the rest of your life. At least your childhood. Kales, what are you doing? Kaylee K. What are you doing? Hiya. What's that? Where'd all the blocks go?
I can get my wagon here.
Did Lucas take all your blocks out? Uh-oh, here she comes again. Hi, Trouble. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you putting some blocks in the bucket for Kaylee? Luke, are you putting blocks in the bucket for Kaylee?
Because I'm cleaning up.
You're cleaning up. Thank you very much.